y'all, so the $400 giveaway is still happening, okay? My $25 giveaway is still happening, okay? Baby, it closes 22 January, which is this Friday coming up, okay? And the winner will be announced on January 24th. If you have not entered, what you doing, little baby? Okay, get into it, y'all. Get into it. All right, let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the content here on this small part of the YouTube universe. Okay, this video is our weekly check-in, guys, as you guys can see. Okay, and y'all, just a disclaimer, your girl a little lit. Listen, okay? I'm a little lit. I'm not even gonna lie, baby. White break. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Stella Rose is back for the videos, guys. Back for the videos, guys. What's up? So this week, she was actually short, quick, to the point. She shouldn't even take that long. She shouldn't be in your business forever. You can see already one of them, but she shouldn't be in your business forever. So let's just get into her and we can move along, you know? Thank you for your time, and let's get into it. So this weekly check-in is from 9 to 15 January 2021. Y'all, last week I put 2020. We ain't going back, okay? I wanted to start over the year. No, ma'am, okay? Not part 2 either. No. But, you know, this free trial for 2021 ain't going so good either, so listen, okay? Basically, we almost ready to go back to 2019. Is anybody else with me? But let's get into the video. So the first things we have, let's stop right here. So upcoming bill, Netflix, you know, took their little coins or whatever, which came out to a total of $11. Allowance, I wasn't feeling the cooking situation this week. So, you know, I bought me some Chili's for lunch, $16. Always got to support a friend. So I bought some printable stickers off of Etsy. This one that I bought was, okay. But, you know, it was $3 total, so it's cool, whatever. Trial and error for that one. Then groceries, I bought food, came up to a total of $73 total. Then bam, guys, that's the rest of them. Next, we have support a friend again, because the first stickers, they weren't working out so well. So I said, you know what, let me do the second one. And that came up to a total of $6. Then my phone bill, while over here in Korea for my phone here, that came through $63.46, total of $64. And then the 15th, so I normally send money to my dad in Jamaica, so I just sent him money in Jamaican currency, and that came up to $99.80 for me. And you know, we are to transfer the cents, we don't do the cents here, so that's $100 total. And then I spent $10 for the week from my allowance from breakfast and snacks. So all in all, I'm telling y'all, quick, short, sweet, to the point. This is the weekly check-in, okay? So total I spent was $280.96 this week. Total amount I'm transferring to savings once I make the deposit is $2.04. And then overall for the week, I spent $283. So $283 is total. In cash payments for the week that I've made is $110. That means that the money is already gone, it's already been used. CC purchases, so the balance that went on my credit card is $171.16. And then the change left over from all my purchases that I made is $1.84. So guys, I should have a combination of my CC purchases and savings, which is $173 in my this week's check-in. So, wine break. Y'all, I'm so lit. I'm so lit. And y'all, it's only 11:22. Bear in mind, I woke up, well, I was up when I hit 500 subscribers, so yay! Celebratory 500 subscriber breakfast happened, okay? Follow me on Instagram because I posted it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you won't know my everyday shenanigans. But I had a celebratory breakfast, and we had Stella Rose as breakfast, okay? And that's on what? That's on period. Yeah. So I've been drinking wine since like 9 a.m. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, so we're gonna take out this week's check-in and CC payments. You see how thick CC payments is? It's a bunch of dollars. If y'all thought it was some cash in, if y'all thought it was some like cash, some 20, some 10, some 5s, it's a bunch of dollars. So this week's check-in should have a total of 1, starting to 3. So let's see what it got, what it do, baby. So, okay. So we have 50, boom, she cute. 70, 90, 110, that's cute too. 130, 150, we loving it, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. What was he, 160? We said 150, ooh, girl. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, we loving it, okay? Points, blank, and period, boom. Okay, so let's transfer from this week's check-in, so, you know, it helps to let us know how much we spent this week on the credit cards to the actual credit card payment, because you know what, we don't do interest no more, okay? We don't do interest no more. We don't do interest. We don't do interest no more. No ma'am, okay? Listen, I'm a finesse this credit card, because this credit card been finessing me my entire life, okay? All my life I had to fight, okay? Yes, the color purple, yes. Okay, so because this credit card has been finessing me, you know, I'm gonna finesse it. I'm gonna use it too, you know. Everybody got to play their part. Okay, I'm just playing my part. Okay, I've had a credit card now for what, 7 years, and they've been living their best life. Okay, I paid $100 in interest at one point. $100+ in interest at one point, okay? And they was living their best life. So now it's just time to, you know, return the favor, okay? I like getting me these little extra points, okay? I know Dave Ramsey ain't gonna like it, but listen, little baby, what works for me works for me. What works for you works for you. That's why budgeting is personal, okay? And that's another thing. Don't be scared of credit card usage, okay? You going through your, if you are starting budgeting, if you are new to budgeting, do not do it. I do not recommend it, okay? But if you've been budgeting for a minute, listen, work on your self-control. If you know you ain't got no self-control, because been there, done that, leave it alone, okay? But budgeting is personal, and this works for me. Let me put this back in here. This works for me, so yeah. But yeah, guys, that's my short, sweet, to the point weekly check-in, because we ain't gonna be here for, you know, a long time. We're here for a good time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, friend, or foe, you know. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Follow me on IG, you know. Listen, okay, when I say Stella Rose got your girl lit. It ain't even a break moment. It's the end of the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. My name is AnekeAnnakay, and I will see you in the next one. All right, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.